Astro Life Coach Shefali. Welcome to this video. Friends, this is your prediction for the coming month, October 2021. It's a monthly prediction basis your sun sign. But before we start with the reading, I would like to give you a few updates. Friends, we have our parent brand called of Astro Life Coaching, which is Astro Vruksh by Shefali. We are present on all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Clubhouse, and LinkedIn also. So do check it out. Join my Facebook group, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In the coming year, we'll be doing a lot of activities over there. We have our website called www.astrovruksbyshefali.com. Do check it out. All my services are mentioned over there. You can even book your appointments there. I would like to mention that we are a global brand which offers integrated destiny management solutions with very scientific and practical guidance with the help of astro psychic streams. So we maintain your privacy, so don't worry on that front. So right here, sitting in Mumbai, I can service you guys wherever you guys are located with the help of Zoom and a telephonic session. So be open to get connected and explore the service is what I can suggest. We have Astro Vruksh by Shefali in Hindi, Astro Vruksh by Shefali in English, Tarot Reader Shefali in English, and Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, 4 YouTube channels, especially for the specific set of audiences. Tarot reading being one of the segment of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. So also I would like to mention or introduce you to the annual tarot reading report for 2022. I have introduced two packages for you guys, where in one package you can get a summary, annual summary of September 2022, and in another package I can actually offer you monthly summary for year 2022. So these are two different packages. You can get more information from me through WhatsApp or email ID, or you can connect with me across any social media streams. I will be more than happy to respond you with the help of more details. There is an early bird discount for that. I'll be giving only specific reports, so I won't be taking bulk order here. So there is a limit to the reports that I'll be servicing. So take the advantage and be the first one to book it. Also, I would like to introduce you to something new which I'm going to come up in the next year, which is Astro Vruksh Academy, where we will be launching our first tarot reading course, and it will be strictly on the basis of shortlisting process. So I won't be teaching to bulk audience. We will be shortlisting candidates, at least in the phase one, where we'll be very focused on whom to choose and whom to share the knowledge with to start with our first level in the coming year. So if you are interested, you can drop in a mail and check the process of taking the admission for that. So that is what the update is about the coming initiatives. So now let's quickly jump to your reading for October 2021. Let's see what. Hi Arians, welcome to the spread for October 2021. People who are born from 21st of March to 19th of April are Arians. Let's see what's in cards for you guys. Friends, as you're aware that this is a general reading, so pick and choose the advice that suits you most, that connects you most at that particular time when you're taking this reading. So because there are multiple people who fall under your sun sign, and I try to align with the messages that I get during my session, like right now, which I'm doing live. I do mostly live sessions. This is not scripted. So whatever messages I get, I try to give it across to you. So you have to pick and choose the advice basis your situation. If you don't get any message out of this reading, maybe this reading is not for you. So this is totally alignment based, totally real time reading that I do. So let's quickly jump to Arian reading. We will start with your energy oracle card. So the patience is the energy that is going to rule your month, which is a positive energy, good energy. It is suggesting you to be patient. It is a combination of 1 and 6, so Sun and Venus coming together, leading you to creatively utilize your energy and convert it into a patient energy, leading you to inner strength, lot of positivity and lot of positive vision towards your future and life planning. So let's quickly see what is the relationship card suggesting. We have King of Pentacles energy in the upright position, a beautiful energy suggesting you to be, that you will be in control of your relationships in the coming month. There is also a possibility that the male figure in your relationship, the male energy in your relationship is going to give you a lot of materialistic security, lot of emotional and psychological security. This person is going to really act like a king when he is giving you that security, warmth, love and care in the relationship. He's going to make you feel special, make you feel like royal when he's actually flowering you with all the love and energy and pampering in the relationship. So appreciate the phase that is coming by. Use it to enhance your positive energy, to enhance your belief or to strengthen your belief in love, in nature, in happiness, in relationships. Now if this person could be your spouse, your son, your friend, your father, your some senior person who really has that control over the relationship. If you are a male figure who is reading this spread, it could be you yourself showering the love, care, royalism, lifestyle and blessing to your family. So this is overall going to be a flowering month for relationships. So enjoy this phase, friends. Coming to your career, we have two of swords in the upright position. Very strong card suggesting duality in your thinking in your career segment. So somewhere you are in the crossroads, somewhere you're feeling trapped, you're feeling that you're not able to make decisions, you're feeling little stressed, I would say, in a way, like a psychological cloud which is creating a little stress, little indecision, little unclarity and a suffocation situation. Not a major suffocation, but yes, a suffocation to an extent that you are not able to take certain important decisions in terms of your career, and which is leading you to a blockage in your either job or in a business or in the career decision. And this is surely a temporary block because it's not a major card, but yes, it is a temporary card suggesting, it is a card which is suggesting temporary blockage. So somewhere you'll have to let go certain things to move on. So somewhere you're holding on to things which is blocking your vision, which is blocking your decision making, which is blocking the future that is coming, that you have to plan for your career. So you will have to let go certain past experiences, people or certain preconceived notions, and try to welcome the new beginning to help you open up, unblock these decision making blocks which are there in your current path. Coming to your finances, friends, we have Seven of Wands in the upright position. Now this card is very strongly suggesting that you are not in the best of the position in terms of your financial planning or financial management. You are moving beyond the rest. You are trying to handle things which you are to an extent successful, but not the most successful situation. So yes, you are struggling in financial management. You might need some help. You might need to reinvent the wheel of financial planning. Somewhere you're going along in terms of strategic planning, because of which there are too many oppositions, there are too many hurdles that you're facing. Okay, so you might have to revisit, rethink about the approach of your financial planning. Coming to your health, we have Devil card in the reverse position, and I also drew one more card. Actually, it just flickered around, flipped across. So there is also a Seven of Swords card. So somewhere I can see that you are cheating on your healthcare regime. You are mentally cheating on your healthcare regime, leading to a lot of stress and leading to fall in your health. So you have been through maybe a major fall in your health, and you're just coming out of that fall, but still you are cheating, you're not doing justice. So all you need to do is, like, you are it's a situation where you feel that I'm supposed to do this, but oh my god, I'm not able to do this. The I'm not able to do it is a mental block that you have, and it is only upon you to unlock it. As you can see here, outsider perspective, you are not chained, but you are psychologically, you have chained yourself. So the reality is much different. You can open up the door and move towards a positive beginning in your healthcare right now, because it's needed. It's a major fall that you have been through, and you need to quickly start working on healing your health, okay? And that is totally in your hands. So you have to change your attitude, approach, and things will shape up for you in healthcare. And it is an urgent thing that you look after your healthcare. Coming to your chakra advice card, we have divine wisdom card. So yes, you need to connect with your divinity. You need to connect with the inner knowledge, inner self, higher self, to align with the right life purpose, whether it is in terms of healthcare, whether it is in terms of career. So highlight of this month is your relationship, and it is going to give you a lot of power, strength, and positivity. Use crystals wherever you feel blocked. Now here I would say crystals will majorly help you in avoiding that duality that you're facing, confusion that you're facing in your career, and also the depressive thoughts and the low energy that you're facing in terms of healthcare. So the best crystal which I could think of right now is black tourmaline or a tiger eye, which can really enhance your root chakra energy, leading you to balance your energies and at least ground yourself well. So try to get those crystals. They are easily available in the market. And further, if you see major issues which you're facing personally, you can connect with me across an appointment to check out personal reading. We will dig deeper into your personal energy. Okay, so I hope this reading helps you guys, Arians. So friends, I really hope that this reading is going to help you to plan your life mindfully, and you will get a better chance to choose the set for you. You have got a better chance to choose the set for you. If you're looking for a personal session, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number or on my email ID. You can check my website www.astrovruksbyshafali.com to check the services that I offer and to book the reading also. You can share this video with your friends and family so that they can also get help, because this is a free reading. You can check my Insta page, my Facebook page, my Twitter handle, LinkedIn page, and many other social media platforms where I'm present. The list is mentioned here. You can check out those platforms because I keep on updating them. I would request you to share your feedbacks on the videos so that you can get uh, what you need. I mean, if you want certain topics on pick a card reading, of course, be open to share your feedback. And I would like to thank all the subscribers who are already part of the journey and welcome new ones on board so that I can service you in my capacity. Take care and have a nice time.